Okay, you're being recorded.
Okay, good. Dude, she won't go. Come on. Fuck. Okay. I'm gonna win this. You know it. Fuck. Hey. Oh. More torque is the answer. Just wait.
Ah, the long metal rod.
Yes. What can I possibly do with that? See? First, apply wrench. Wrong way. Wrong way. There we go. Then, more torque.
Ah.
Now we're talking. What the fuck? Come on, you bitch.
Was that a bad or a good?
That's a good one.
Okay. Do I need to put the pan underneath?
Hold on, I'm trying to get it as straight as possible. Yeah, it's letting go. Okay.
So I'm gonna put the camera down right here, looking at you.
I win this. I'm winning this. Fuck yeah.
You know what? You might want to get the light out of it.
Possibly. Oh shit. Aha! I'm winning.
You just got the girl to pee.
Well.
You should pee all over everything.
Oh. That's okay, lady.
Water sports.
She just soiled herself. Oh well.
It smells like that fishing bait.
Are you still recording this?
Oh.